1 week after Bahamas Power and Light's Chief Operating Officer Christina Alston tendered her resignation, the company's chairman is shedding some light on the way forward. Now, it was a surprise to the board. Now we ask the question, what steps are being taken to fill it? Here's Jimenita Swain.
Chairman of the board at Bahamas Power and Light, Donovan Moxey, breaking his silence following the departure of Chief Operating Officer Christina Alston. B.P.L officials have only confirmed the departure for media, but have said very little otherwise. Moxey said this Monday.
From ourselves as B.P.L, obviously, as an organization, you need everybody on deck. But understanding where the circumstances are, then we as an organization are essentially rallying the troops and making sure that we can move forward and deliver to the Bahamian people the best possible service. But what we've done as a board, we've gone to the CEO and asked him to put together what his staffing plans would be moving forward, both in the immediate future as well as long term. And so we're waiting as a board to hear back from the CEO.
The B.P.L chairman was asked if the board was surprised by Alston'S resignation.
Something that obviously I can't get into right now because it's a personnel matter. But what I can say is that we understand that there's certainly something that internally we have to deal with to make sure that we cover all the bases. So that's about what we can say right now.
Power generation remains a major concern as well as the focus of staff training following the announcement of the Wärtsilä deal that will see an additional 132 megawatt generation capacity by summer. However, the Bahamas Electrical Workers Union President Paul Maynard has expressed concern with the labor component. Moxey says the board has been in discussions with the union.
One of the things that we'll be meeting and talking about at our next board meeting next week has to do with the training programs that we're putting in place. And so from our perspective, a part of what our strategic plan is to make sure that we build capacity, workforce capacity at B.P.L, and that involves training. And so our perspective is we will train those employees, we will put in certifications, and as we've said to employees as a board, we're challenging everybody to step up to the plate and build new skills so that they can deliver high quality service to the Bahamian people.
The chairman also commented on the status of last year's fire and its impact on operations.
As far as that's concerned, the insurance company actually still has possession of Station C. And so one of the things you would have seen several weeks ago, B.P.L announced the creation of a 130 megawatt power plant. That particular project is moving forward relatively quickly, and we're still looking at the end of summer in order to have that new 130 megawatt power plant available to us.
Jimenita Swain, ZNS Network News.